Unscrew the screws, then remove the plate. Open the wire terminals. Take out the plastic piece. Remove the switched power cord. Position the plate at the desired location and mark the hole points. Drill 6 mm, 0.23-inch holes at the marked points using a hammer drill. Insert the plastic wall anchors into the holes. Secure the ceiling light mounting plate with self-tapping screws. Cut off the main power supply. Connect the live, neutral, and ground wires using wire terminals. Align the light fixture with the plate and install it. Tighten the plate and light fixture with screws. Use a percussion drill to make 0.23-inch holes. Customizable lighting direction. Adjust the beam angle to modify the illuminated area.